Binance has declared its support for the AI model ChatGPT, emphasizing its potential to increase Bitcoin adoption and education. The OpenAI chatbot soon went viral, swiftly becoming one of the fastest-growing consumer apps in history. Here's what Binance had to say about ChatGPT's AI. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. Binance, a cryptocurrency trading company, emphasized the enormous potential of generative AI, which appears to be taking the digital world by storm. The conversation in the post examined the potential of AI to hasten the general adoption of digital assets. Specifically, using ChatGPT's features. ChatGPT appears to have been a regular headline thus far in 2023. The generative AI system has fascinated the technological industry and has been widely accepted by users. It has also been able to show the untapped market for AI and how far the industry has advanced. The world's largest cryptocurrency trading platform has now expressed its support for the scheme. Binance stated in a recent blog post that it believes ChatGPT will increase Bitcoin acceptance and education. Specifically, it uses sophisticated communication features to improve user interaction. Binance highlighted the most significant feature of ChatGPT in the post. It is simple to use and its replies are akin to human responses, with a very quick pace. Binance recognized a variety of possibilities while examining these benefits in the cryptocurrency arena. Specifically, it is said that the greatest value of Bitcoin adoption is how it can be used to answer concerns about how to utilize cryptocurrencies and the technology underlying them. Furthermore, the piece mentioned how ChatGPT has the benefit of being able to assist clarify topics in an interactive and conversational manner. Furthermore, users indicated that they could keep asking questions until they felt they thoroughly grasped any cryptography-related topics they were interested in. For these reasons, AI development should be critical to the education industry. Indeed, many people who want to learn more about cryptocurrencies are driven to numerous web platforms. In this regard, the AI software ChatGPT has been a viable outlet that may solve specific problems and areas of misunderstanding in the digital asset field. ChatGPT, what is the new AI model and how does it work? ChatGPT is a new OpenAI model that is part of the GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, models. These are unsupervised machine learning-based artificial intelligence models. They operate by employing a deep learning approach called as transformer, which use a neural network to study and comprehend the meaning of a document. ChatGPT, in particular, is a member of the InstructGPT family of models, which are taught using deep learning but then improved using human reinforcement. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, is a method. In November 2022, ChatGPT was implemented and made public. Because of its potency and ease of use, it is gaining popularity on the web, and many people are discovering its potential, especially because it is free to use. ChatGPT is one of the InstructGPTs, which are an extension of prior models that were exclusively based on unsupervised learning. Instruct models are based on the original GPT-3 but are improved via human reinforcement. Specifically, using a method known as reinforcement learning through human feedback, RLHF. ChatGPT differs from other Instruct models, also known as GPT 3.5 models, such as Text DaVinci 003, in the manner in which the model was trained. Human supervisors were requested to offer both desired queries and responses throughout the ChatGPT fine-tuning process. These served as datasets for the ChatGPT model's optimization. ChatGPT is therefore a sister model of InstructGPT, which is taught to respond to a prompt with a thorough response. According to Binance, the advantages and downsides of the ChatGPT AI model. The simplicity of use of ChatGPT, as well as its ability to create human-like replies incredibly fast and, as of February 2023, for free, are arguably its most significant advantages. Because of its broad training, it can create text in response to practically any request and on a wide range of topics, which means that millions of people have found ways to utilize ChatGPT to make their lives simpler. Developers, for example, have used it to help debug code, creative folks have used it to help produce story or song lyrics ideas, and students have used it to help them learn tough subjects. ChatGPT's functionality is incredibly adaptable as long as the request can be expressed as text-based input and output. As a result, the availability of ChatGPT can save both time and money. In commercial terms, ChatGPT might undertake jobs that would normally require substantial human effort, such as answering client FAQs. Artificial intelligence can handle a high volume of customer support calls, freeing up personnel time to focus on more complicated duties. This might increase efficiency and lower expenses. However, while ChatGPT is incredibly amazing, users should be aware that it has a number of limitations. Yes, it is exceedingly simple to use and generates appealing results, but users should not become comfortable or turn off their critical thinking. It is critical to know that ChatGPT has low comprehension and basic common sense. Although its replies appear to be human, the bot has no true knowledge of the content it is analyzing. In reality, the language model merely outputs probability distributions generated from its training and data. As a result, it may produce misleading or even false information. Accuracy issues are also connected to the quality and substance of the data used to train it. The training data for ChatGPT, for example, has a knowledge limit of 2021, hence the training process terminated before that date. If ChatGPT was questioned about anything that happened after 2022, for example, it would have no means of knowing. What is your opinion on ChatGPT? Are you already using it while investing in crypto? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.